Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Notion databases before automations change step by step clearly. First, open your Notion application and navigate to the database you want to backup. Once you're in the database, locate the three dots in the upper right corner. Click on these three dots to open the Options menu. In the Options menu, select Export from the list. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to choose the export format. You can choose either Markdown or CSV, depending on your needs. For most users, selecting Markdown is a versatile option. After selecting your format, click on the Export button. Choose a destination folder on your computer where you'd like to save the file. After you've selected the folder, click Save to complete the export. Next, open the exported file to verify that all the database content is intact. Take a moment to review the information to ensure everything has been captured. If you have multiple databases, repeat this process for each one. For additional safety, consider creating a duplicate within Notion itself. To do this, return to your original database. Click the three dots in the upper right corner again. Select Duplicate from the options available. This duplicated database will appear in your workspace for quick access. Now, with your backups secured, you can safely make adjustments or set up automations. Regularly scheduled backups will help maintain the integrity of your data over time. Remember, being proactive about backups can save you potential headaches later. Take the time now to secure your important Notion databases before automating any changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.